Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, another scammer YouTube video. So we're gonna react to this Daniel Savage scam video, I guess, that Wall Street Police have put out right now. And the point is, I'm gonna react to this because when he put the video on YouTube about the first YouTube video, I guess it was like how he made money, and it was a really motivational video. And after that, I started following him. I was the guy who was watching him before even I knew, I guess, Lambo Rahul and other people, right? So, like, after watching the Raja Bank videos and everything, some of the time I was watching this guy doing the trading and everything. Even I was the guy who have bought his signal once around like $50 and spend money. And yeah, I was not happy with it, to be honest, but I there was no proof of it that I can, at that time I had no audience. I was not, I was just a little kid who was just interested in trading, to be honest. But yeah, then this guy started. After that, some period of time, he started selling indicators, EAs, and all the things, all the shit that a scammer need to do. So yeah, we're gonna react to this video of the Daniel Savage. And second thing is, like, thank you so much for the support that you shown on the podcast that we recently uploaded. It was specially for Indian audience. You guys nailed it. We really appreciate your support. I hope we can do this in the other regions or the cities, countries, I don't know, everywhere, and get the real knowledge here. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna start with the reaction right now.
I ain't
Okay.
gonna lie, bro. I did some snake shit. This indicator's free, right? And I made a training course for it, and I sold the course for like $500. And niggas used to be like, "Yo, you sold me an indicator that's free?" I was like, "Nah, nigga, I sold you the educational video on how to use it. I didn't sell you no indicator. I sold you a video on how to use it."
He's admitting, like, you can see it, like, on his face he's happy that he did it. And he's really glad, he was able to fool this guy. And in buying his just a 10-minute video, like a porn guy, like here, like a OnlyFans thing, 10-minute video. And that how he can explain how the indicator works, which is totally free to use. And this is something I was not sure, like, but yeah, indicators are like, agreed that indicators are free, but sometimes people do customize it on their way and they do sell it. Okay, but that is still good. Like, even they put some effort to customize it in their way and then sell it, right? But this guy just put out random indicator, sell it to the guy, and got the $500. And $500 is a salary of some people for a month, you know.
That's how you scam a nigga on paper.
That's your favorite guru openly admitting to scamming you by selling something that adds no value to your trading journey, and you paid for it. Maybe you need to listen again, this time more carefully.
I mean, I don't want to listen again. I heard it for the first time, bro. I mean, this guy is doing really good job. First of all, if you don't know his YouTube channel, you need to check it out. He have exposed this guy, and he made a really good video. Okay, I'll be honest. Yeah, I think we should appreciate him. Okay, so yeah, and now the next thing we see here is this trading account of Daniel Savage that he have blown. You can see the starting balance, that is $218,000 or something.
Belongs to Daniel Savage, as you can clearly see his name at the end of the screen recording. Someone close to him managed to access the investor password and recorded the account's performance before he deleted it. I'm sure he'll be shocked to see this out in the public space. Over $200,000.
So he just blew like $215,000, and someone of close to him, as he mentioned, that someone close to him have given this investor password and doing this shit.
Gone, completely blown by a so-called professional trader. While you're busy buying their courses and paying for mentorship, believing you'll become profitable, the harsh truth is that it's all a facade. Even your so-called teacher doesn't know how to trade. So now you see it. A completely
I mean, this guy, he's wearing the pants. Like, I don't know why it's going so down. I don't know what to say. Look at this. Look at this.
unprofitable
Look at him.
trader teaching others how to become profitable. We now know it's all a big lie. He even admitted to scamming people by selling a bot that doesn't work. The funniest part? He called out some of his own colleagues who are just as deceptive as him and claimed they don't know how to trade either. Names like Alex and Mamba Forex were directly challenged by him. Let's listen to it live.
So basically, Mamba FX, I mean, a lot of people have exposed him, and I don't know how he's still in the industry and people are still believing him. But on the other hand, Daniel and Lambo Rao, I don't know about Lambo Rao, to be honest. Okay, I do not know about him, so I need to do more research about him. But on the other hand, Daniel was like the guy who was, it was good, but at the same time he had some issues, with a lot of people, and he had a behavior which was like not good, I guess.
800 people watching this shit. 800 people watching this shit for the shit. I got $1 million for Mamba FX, that pussy ass fraud. Mamba FX, this pussy ass bitch. I got $1 million for you. Turn my $500,000 into $700,000. I'll give you $1 million. Pussy ass bitch.
You can hear him openly
Like he's just openly challenging him, like just to turn 500 to 700, and he's gonna give the $1 million. Like that means he knows that he's not able to trade that much. And trust me, like as a YouTuber myself and as a trader myself, I know a lot of people in the industry who just come to me and tell me their stories and stuff like that. So it's pretty amazing how people do scam, and people fall for it, and they are really glad that they can fool the audience right now.
challenging Mamba, promising to give him $1 million if he could do it. Of course,
Right.
he knows
I mean, $1 million is not a small amount, to be honest, to give just for the $700.
hope.
Fucking bum. Anyways, happy birthday, you pussy ass bitch. Fuck out of here, nigga. Stop playing with me, bum ass bitch. You made millions of dollars teaching everything I taught. I never asked you for $1. I
Damn.
never asked that bum ass bitch ass nigga for $1 in my bank account. $1 for that fucking ass nigga mama, boy.
I think he's so angry right now. He even doesn't know what he's speaking. I mean,
Pussy ass
I don't
bitch.
know what
I got $1
is.
million.
He's saying happy birthday, but at the same time he's challenging him
Right
to.
now, bitch ass nigga, I got $1 million for you this shit. 900 people. 900 people, my nigga. Get your phone out. Put the fucking flashlight on my face, nigga. Put the flashlight on my face, nigga. I got $1 million from Mamba FX. If he can turn my fucking 500,000, I give you $1 million. I got it in the escrow account. Fuck, nigga. Do it, bitch ass nigga. You bum ass bitch. That's what you made, boy. Pussy ass little account. I pay for all that shit. The fuck out of here, bro. I'm from the Ain't nobody fuck niggas.
Bro, I can't listen to this much. I just need to skip this right now. I don't know what to say here. I'm just gonna skip this because he's just driving it crazy.
Even though there's video evidence pointing to his struggles with addiction, our focus remains solely on cleaning up the trading.
Yeah, he had his addiction, right? But yeah, it's not our thing to discuss. Yeah, addiction is like a lot of people have it, that like drug addictions and stuff like that. But yeah, we're not gonna got into that. But this is an interesting story. Like this guy was washing cars and stuff like that, and what he did was pretty amazing. That he took some photos of him with different cars.
I'd ask, how did
like
he get so
BMW.
rich that people started paying him for mental car wash, where he could take pictures of luxurious cars that didn't belong to him and claim? Unfortunately, this is a tactic many of them still use today. They understand that luxury and beautiful things appeal to your greed, so they flaunt these things to texts on Telegram.
Now, this is the text from, you can say, forwarded from Daniel Savage. The store was a little investment. I'm not proud of how I got the money, but yeah, held strong for a while. Credit card, I use a credit card for fraud, but how I was able to get the money and fraud. I don't know, this guy is openly admitting to do a fraud and credit card. And yeah, his boss let his drive the Maserati and other cars. And
Where he
was
admitted
just,
to doing these. Key belongs to C.
yeah, so this is the guy who owns the car, and he was just using it, to be
Boss,
honest.
who
And
to get any real
showing people, to be honest, renting a car is really easy. Like if you just go to Dubai or any city, like you will just get the car for $300 to $400. According to me, you can rent it for like a day, or I don't know. But if you can rent it out for a day, you can do a photo shoot, you can drive it out around, you can make a vlog with it. It's pretty easy, I mean. But this is the first video that is interesting, and this is the second video. So okay, this guy have a whole story. He started joining his education course back in 2021. Okay.
You look for unrealistic results. Dimitri, you need to stop. I'll be real, I don't think this trading shit is for you, brother. I don't think it's for you.
Fast forward, the years are passing and I change completely away and I go to start doing OnlyFans management, which I found success and I became a multi-millionaire. And it was this time back in July 2022 when I went from Colombia to Miami. And because I knew that this guy lives in Miami, I wanted actually to meet him and I wanted to see what he's about. So I just shoot him a message. I didn't actually believe that he was gonna reply to me and stuff like that. But he remembered me from back in the day, from back in 2020. So he sent me his ID. I go to the strip club that he used to be, and we started like having some fun, used to like getting drunk and stuff like this. I paid very close attention to what people this guy was surrounding with. The people were like some fat guys. The strip club was literally empty. It was like kind of weird situation, but I actually had fun because I was talking to some guy that was, let's say, an inspiration for me for years, and it was like actually very
I mean, I agreed with him. Like myself, I was just, watching YouTube videos. I thought like he was something. And yeah, I understand what he's
nice
trying to say
experience.
here. Like,
So we met in Miami. Then I left from Miami. I went to Greece. I went to Mykonos. I was bowling. Both February 2023, he texted me a message because he knew that I do OnlyFans management, and he asks me to help his girlfriend with
help his girlfriend for OnlyFans. I mean, what kind of a boyfriend he is that he's encouraging to do OnlyFans right now? I want to skip this part. The main part is right now, like,
credentials of this account. Him $50,000.
so yeah, this is, you can see like he paid like around $51,000 to trade. So we're gonna show you the name.
So we started exchanging some messages back and forth, and I'm saying to him, okay, let's do it. I paid him 50,000.
You can see the name here, like it's Daniel Savage basically. But yeah,
It's how it goes. We win, we lose, and stuff like this. But these credentials didn't actually work. So I texted him and I'm like, bro, like, doesn't work. He was ignoring me, and I started noticing the red flags, which I didn't notice in the beginning. Anyway, we surpassed the situation, we move forward, and I get to know, like, he sent me a screenshot which was saying $550,000. And I'm like, bro, like, where the fuck did you find all this money? I just gave you $50,000. He's like, I merged with some other money from other people, it's safe, you're gonna be okay and stuff like this. I'm like, okay, whatever, you know better. He keeps trading my money, but slowly he started ghosting me. But I didn't expect for him to ghost me because he was like a big figure. Everyone knows about him in the forex space. I was texting him every week, like a couple of messages and stuff like that. For message, I have so many messages.
I mean, he just like showing you like 550. I don't know if it's a real account as well. Like just imagine he have took like $50,000 from like 5 to 10 people, and then he deposited and lost it all. Like 200K we already show you on the one video, and this is the second video where he have taken another $50,000. And you can see like this guy, later on he is sending a lot of text. Then now you can read here, due to the reason I haven't responded is because the guy I let trade, it blew it, and algorithm that he was selling, I mean, that had a fucked up things. He blew 200K as well. I mean, here is the proof. He blew the 200K, right? Now let's go a little bit forward here. So that was forever ago, like $2 million on the wall for. Yeah, here is the proof. Dude, I'm literally selling the challenges to make money right now. Trust me, I'm struggling. So this is like this is where things get fucked up. Like if he is admitting
On
selling
gambling,
challenges,
on alcohol,
basically like now he
money
spent
on
a lot of money in gambling, alcohol, and stuff like that.
gambling. And one day he sends me a message which says, your money is lost. You just lost this money in the market. It's not my fault. Goodbye. So this was the last time I
You lost the money. I mean,
spoke to him.
bro, he trust.
And
I
one
think
lesson
this guy trusted his money to a person he was admired and looked up to. And now, according to me, the best thing you can do with the money, like, just don't give to anyone. Try to risk with yourself, like try to trade it by yourself, and do it, because that way you can trust yourself. And if you lost it, that won't be like this like you lost it because of that person. You lost it because of yourself, right? And you tried it, right? So the main point is you tried to trade by yourself. Okay. the Yeah, that is my main point. Just don't give to anyone else. And even if you like to trade, if you don't know how to trade and you want to find someone, like try to use a legit way to find people. Okay, I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, I won't say like just follow the people who have a proper sheet, like a track record or something like that. But right now people also fake that out. So I don't know what to say. There is no genuine advice on that. The best shot you have is to learn and do it by yourself. Okay, so that is my genuine advice. And the second thing I wanted to discuss right now is there is an thing going on for related to funded firm. Okay, so after that podcast, funded firm reached me out saying that wanted to have a promotional thing, and I said like I'll give up my contact detail. They called me, and I told them like basically what we do is we can set up a podcast with your owner or who is the person in charge of the prop firm. And they told me their exact word is like there is no person or a face behind we can put right now on the podcast. And I was like, that is not good. So I did some of my research. There's a video of a Rohit Kumar. I would like you to first watch that as well, so you will have more idea like what I'm talking about. And right now, I think that firm is not doing good on the marketing side. I think they did made a mistake on the marketing side, but on the second thought, like it's not good if the person and the main guy who's running the company is not showing up on the online social media, and not talking about his own company. So I won't suggest you to follow that firm. I just wanted to give you my opinion on that. That's it. That's all I wanted to react to this right now. But yeah, there is soon there will be 2 days there will be another video. I want you to watch that because we're gonna do an analysis of this whole year on the gold, GBP, JPY, JBP, USD. That is an educational video we're gonna put out soon. And in that video, we have analyzed pair for the last 1 year, why have moved like this, and what we can plan for the next year, for the upcoming year, and how we can trade with it. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find the right mentor for yourself. So thank you for watching us. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey. I hope I see you in the next video. And yeah, that's all.